Hello, this is David Lewis from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I am on a 2020 280 SLX in metallic gray. It's got a dune interior. The boat is loaded up with a lot of great options. Shore power, a power tower, power windlass, automatic trim tabs, sea deck on the swim platform, and some other great stuff I can't wait to tell you about. Okay, as I mentioned just now, we have a power windlass with a tie-off cleat. Of course, the lashed assisted. There's storage underneath every seat. It's hinged. On the starboard side, this goes all the way deep underneath the helm. Plenty of room for life jackets, a cooler, what have you. Recess cup holders. There's a charge port on the port side. Speakers forward. Armrest. A bow door. Closes off the bow in those cold nights. On the starboard side, the helm, we have a dual seat with a flip-up bolster, tilt steering wheel, a VHF underneath. All of our controls and switches. Our automatic trim tabs are on the right-hand side. Of course, digital throttle, digital shift, and dual screens for information. On the stern of this 280, we have a power swim platform, sucks underneath the swim deck. We have sea deck on the back. Reverse loungers, fully adjustable. Charge ports, cup holders. A large storage area underneath. This port side storage actually goes all the way underneath those seats for wakeboards or skis or anything that you'd like to put underneath there. It's very long. There is a cooler over here that you probably can't see for wet storage. Stereo controls, power top control, and also the battery switches are right here.